I've said it over and over. It doesn't matter the number of people that are standing with me. I will stand on that side of truth. I will not, I repeat, govern our dear state on my knees. If that was the purpose, I will not do that. I will stand to govern our dear state and to stand continually on the side of right. Let me thank our dear elders. Continue to show love. Bitterness will not take us anywhere. When it comes to the time of election, fight me, abuse me, send ESCC record, send all the things. But when elections are over, what we need is to work together for the advancement of our state. It's the only way we can bring Rivers State close to what people say or what we are supposed to be like Lagos. But politics with bitterness will not take us anywhere. So I want to thank you that at this stage, we have a few of you who understand that Rivers State belongs to every one of us. And we must fight together to sustain the soul of this state. Let me thank you again. Wish you the best. The best is a big word. A lot of things are inside the best. You can digest it in so many ways. Let me also thank my host for even allowing me to enter his house. He might decide not to even receive me, considering where I'm coming from. But I can see how large his heart is. And that is the heart of a knight. A knight is one who fights with his right and receives with his left.